Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products, the flip-top chest freezers. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. Entire unit is about like a 44 inches. And 25 inches include the back hinge. Overall height is about like a 33 inches. As you can see, the front, the units have a handlebar right here. They have a lockers from these units. And this side have the water drinks at the bottoms. And the controllers right here, they have level adjusters from 1 to 7. And all the running lights right here. As you can see, the back side of the units, we have the car sheets on top of the stickers. And the ETL sanitation approval stickers right here. And also the units hung with the 110 plugs US standard. Let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. Let's take a look at the inner side. The overall length about 38 inches. And depth about like a 26 inches. And this unit is about like 18 inches wide. They come in with one basket. The thermometer is right here. Also have a stage at the bottom. So I'll take a look at the basket size. About 8 inches wide. And the 17.5 inches in the long. 7 inches in depth. For the stage, it's about 9 inches depth too. Have the compressor at the bottom. This is all information for the inner side. And thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.